2023 Nissan Rogue. Issues with that right there. This little knob. Now watch, I'm gonna start it up. Check it in. You see that little triangle right there? That triangle saying that this is not working. Oh, okay, it just popped up. It's saying that the transmission needs servicing. Now I just went through all this little shit and the shit went away. But there it goes, pop back up again. But check this out. All I do is put my foot on the brake, take this right here. I want to go forward like you're supposed to shift it normally, and take it. Don't press that, and just hold it back. It goes into drive like it's supposed to. Before it wasn't doing that. And the same thing with reverse. I'm going forward just a little bit. Now watch, I'm gonna press that, push it forward. It goes into reverse like it's supposed to. But my thing is, I ordered another one of these, and I'm gonna see if that works. Instead of spending $5,000 to get another transmission. Peace out, homeless dasher out.